Everyone, today I will show you how you can update your websites. Okay, first you have to log in to the website dashboard. Once logged in, please go to the left side menu and go to the pages. This one is if you want to edit the page, all the pages section. So here you can see the list of all the pages inside the website. So today we show you how you can update one of the page. We will select the front page. So you can click the title and then click the blue button edit with page editor. So you will be brought to the page editor layout. So in the page editor you will see on the right hand side is the visual view of the actual website, and on the left side is the editing panel. Okay, let's see if you want to edit the first section. The first section is the banner here. So you may click on the banner, and on the left side the panel will automatically show what edit item that can be done for the banner. Here you can see the slides. This is the slide title, the first slide. So here if you want to change the image, you can click on the image and select the image from your media library, or you can upload a new image. To edit the content like the title and the button text, you can go to the tab, the content tab. The first is the background is for the image, and the second tab, the content is for the text for the title here. So you may edit this title, and the button text here you can edit the button text, which will be shown here. And there are other settings as well. If you want to add a second slider, you can simply click the add item, and it will create a second banner image. So you can copy the same method from the first slider to the second slider. You can upload a new image for the slider, and also you can edit change the text heading. Okay, next section is for the images. So if you want to change the images, you can simply click on the image, and on the left panel here you can select the new image that you want to be upload. Same goes to the other image. And for any text element on the website, you can click on the text, and you can directly change the text by typing in the text area. Let's say I want to change to hub, and then you can change it back to the original words. Okay, this is for this element. You can click the element here, then you can change the image from the media library, or you can upload your own image. And for the content, this one, the title, you can select the content section, and you can edit the text here to replace the current text. And also you can change here the button at the bottom, and links where this element will bring the user once click. You can change the link here. Same goes to the rest of the element. The next is for this section, the introduction section. You can click to edit the title, and also the text. You can click the text, and you can directly edit the wordings on the left panel. For the background, you can select this section here and go to style, and here is the background image to be selected or to be replaced. So the next section is the testimonial section. Okay, this is the testimonial slider or carousel. You can click on this any part of this testimonial carousel. Just click once and you will be brought to the side panel of the testimonial. This is the slides. Item 1 is the first testimonial, second, third, fourth, and fifth. You can add as many as other testimonial here. So let's say the first item is the first testimonial. It is the wording here. And then you can change the name here. And then for the title below here, you can add the location or whatever title you want to place down the name. You can also add image for the person image. It will be displayed in circle. Let's say we choose this image. So it will be displayed here in circle form. It will look great if you have the actual person image. So just remove this image. Same goes to the rest of the testimonial. You can add in all the text. The rest is the default setting of the carousel. Okay, we go to the next section. Here is the image section, two-side image section. So if you want to click edit this element, just click on the element, and on the left panel will be automatically display the properties of this element. So you can replace the image. So you can go to the content area here to change the title. This one, the Instagram, and also you can change the button text, and you can change the link where this element will bring the user once click. Same goes to the other elements on the right. You can click this element and change the image. Okay, we go to the next section. This is the subscribe section. You can simply click on the text to edit any text of the element. And on the sign up forms, you can change the subscribe form where the email will be saved once the user key in their emails. So you can set your MailChimp account here. Okay. So once everything has been changed or edited, you can go to the green button to update everything on the site. Okay, once updated, click the preview button here, the eye icon, so you can have a preview of the what has been changed. So, okay. Once everything is done, you can go back to the list of the pages by going to the burger icon here on top left and exit. Press the button exit the dashboard. Okay, now you can go continue editing the rest of the pages. Okay, for post article post, you can go to the post and add new post to create a new article. So let's say you want to put sample post. Here's the title of the post, and here is the content of the articles. So you can write any articles here. Article content goes here. All the images. If you want to add image, you can simply add media and add any image to the post. Okay, don't forget to set the featured image here, so that this image will be shown as the main image of the article. So you can select an image to be the featured image. Okay, once everything is good, simply click on the publish button so that the post can be viewed by the user. Okay, we go back to the post list. So we don't need this post, so we can trash it. Okay, next is if your website happen to have a custom field. Let's say this area has been built using a custom field. So you can go to the website option to edit the text inside there. So you can edit this text. Let's say we want to change to all item. Change the word to item and then click update. So this will reflect at the website. You can refresh and you see the text has been changed to item. So here is where you can change the wording for that particular area. So we change back to product and update. Alright, so the rest of the content you can edit via the page editor. And for this top right area, particular text box, you can edit via the website option, the text.